Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the US stock market. We're gonna see Nasdaq starting, of course, on the 1 hour chart here. We saw a dump today, as expected. Our red box has been taken there, 0.618, which is a deep correction for a wave B. We took the low, so therefore, I'm looking right now for a signal of strength. If no signal of strength will be given, we gotta be careful. A large red flag will be given over there. All right, that means we're dumping, guys. Right, for this potential 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, it's an impulse there, so we have to be careful with it. It can be, of course, an expanding flat here. Let me check. Did we took the high? Oh, barely not. Let me check, guys. Exactly. Well, yes, it's an expanding flat. Wow. Okay. So that means if this is an expanding flat, okay, then it's an A, B, and a C there, expanding flat, meaning we need the 1.618. Let's put this in confluence. That's why I was looking if, oh, yeah, if that is an expanding flat for real, then yeah, we have to be careful, guys, okay? It's a red flag there. We have to be careful with it because the 1.618 might be even deeper than the 886, meaning taking the low here. Interesting. What will happen if this might happen there? Taking the low, that means yeah, we are completing 5 waves toward the downside, guys, right? Which makes it already the A, B, and a C here, but very likely in that case that we might push even deeper. But however, let's keep it step by step. Let's not rush the thing. But of course, the confirmation for lower will give us already lower probability for the bullish. But currently, at this level, we're definitely here more bearish potential here. So I would say it's back for 255 against 45 here. Once we reach this area, if we're gonna break it, or let's keep it 50-50, guys. I don't want to really go bearish before making sure that we took the confirmation there. At least the 886. At the 886, consider the bearish is higher in probability. Okay. Now, what it can be also is an ending diagonal. Can be, of course, a short wave C there, A, B, and a C, and not hitting exactly this level. But the 1.38 here is in confluence even with the 886, which is very ugly. Yeah, so yeah, we gotta be careful with it. I see, of course, some potential to take the 886, but if this is going to hold on and pushing here in another wave 4 and a 5, that would be a good signal. Only if we get a wave 4, and then pushing down, that will be a good signal that you might rebound after a diagonal. If we continue the drop directly, forget about it. Okay. Um, so a rebound wave 4 will save you here. It's a bullish flag, meaning we push higher. But if we continue without a rebound for a wave 4, meaning direct drop here, yeah, we're pushing towards the 1.618, meaning taking the low, red flag, and very likely to push towards the 28K. Okay, so that was it. I'm going to keep it 50-50 until the 886, guys. I'm not going to rush. The market is very tricky. So for SPX or US 500, we are looking as well here for, well, it's not so bad, I would say, still. Like Nasdaq, I don't know, guys, what's going on with Nasdaq, but S&P is looking still strong. I don't see yet a momentum for bearish even. So we still expecting here a wave C to be completed in a wave 5. Yeah, so I would say, okay, in case that this will break the 1-to-1 there, taken from this wave 2 to the wave 3, and you break it at 7,500 exact, this is where you have your red flag there. All right, this is our key level here. So this is going to be our confirmation for lower. Why? Because wave 3 becomes, of course, longer than wave 2, which is not allowed. Invalidation of triangle, confirmation for lower. Um, so I would say $7,500, also very psychological number. So we might also rebound before this. However, If this happened, then okay, we go bearish here directly to 60%. Yeah, 60% directly. Therefore, to be in a safer side here, let's move to 50-50 there. All right, with probability. So be careful. 50-50 can be, unless we see a signal of strength directly, and then we push for higher. Anyway, also, if you push for higher, don't expect something very massive. We might push back down deeper for a larger wave forward, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, ending diagonal, taking the high, bearish. All right. Therefore, yeah, even it's not that perfect trade, I would say. But I mean, what we can do is this is when you become at the top of a bull market, and this is when it comes to the top. This is how it becomes ugly a little bit, guys. But yeah, we try our best always. So basically, for Dow Jones, very interesting, taking the pre-confirmation for higher, giving higher probability here. But of course, that's why it's called pre-confirmation and not confirmation yet. That means, yeah, we might still have a larger ending diagonal. It doesn't mean anything yet. Um, Probability is still bullish, a little bit, 5% here, higher than the bearish. But yeah, at the end, you're still bullish for Dow Jones. You might still see double 112 ABC and then pushing for higher again. So nothing has changed, I would say, for Dow Jones. Not too much. All right, guys. So that was it for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Welcome to KG Trading Discord community, the place where you get everything you need to stay updated with the market, get important community news, weekly reports, channel updates, all in one place. Be the first to know when a new YouTube video or member-only video is available with instant notifications in our Discord. Receive quick morning market updates before a YouTube analysis for Bitcoin, gold, silver, and the US stock indices. You can request a technical analysis for your favorite crypto coins or stocks and join our communities for crypto stocks and metals. Get trading signals, entry levels, targets, and risk management strategies to help you trade with more confidence and more safety. You also get access to our trading view charts, Elliott Wave setup, and special KG trading indicators. You can join us through Patreon or YouTube membership using the links below. I'm looking forward to welcoming you to the KG trading community.